Hello, friends. I welcome you to this Hebrew letter and this section. As I have already told, the language it's all about a symbol which we use for communication. We are happy with our own language, but it's all about on interest. Need to learn about something new. As as I have come from Odisha to Tamil Nadu, so there was an interest. Hence, I thought to learn this language, and I today I'm blessed that I have learned something, and because I developed that interest to learn something new. Even in my office, there are lots of friends. Still, they are not able to speak Hindi. We do speak within our friends. We do speak, but they don't. They are just happy with their own language. But it's all about interest. The more interest we give, and that's how we will be able to learn something new. So I encourage each of my friend to have an interest towards this special language, which has more knowledge and the cultural meaning and about the creation. So with this introductions, I'll again we'll go with this sixth letter of a Hebrew, which is called Vav. You can see in the screen the letters, how it is, the formation. It's pronounced as Vav, and it sounds V, as as vine. As you see in the screen, it's like a hook. Normally we do use it to put this in our wall as a that remember that hook, the way we use in our daily life. Normally those carpenter will be using, wood carpenter, to put two things into one, then they'll be using one hook. This sixth letter of Wow, it has a value of 6, and the appearance and the picture graph, it's like tent hook, and the meaning, and it represents one essential connectivity power. Like, we remember those carpenter, they'll be using small piece of wood to another small piece of wood. They'll be putting a hook to connect those two in one. As this sixth letter represents a value of 6, because the man was created on the sixth day. Hence, this it has long association to connect, to represent, make oneself. There is a force behind a man to be connected. The cultural meaning is the power of God is bow to connect a man by force. If at all anything has gone wrong, this bow can again make us one, bring us back with the power of God. As we are closing this sections, we all just need to know this bow means a hook which connects two things in one, whether it is human and its nature, or human and his intention. If it is, there is a bow in our life, definitely bow means the power of God and the truth, which will connect us, which will bring us back to the perfectness. Thank you so much for being with this video. Please share it, show your love, and be blessed. Thank you.